Hello all. Today I will show you how to write the basic structures of alphabet in cursive. Alphabet A to F. Okay, it will be a slow video because I will show you in details. First of all, you will have to start with this type of pencil, and this one is the drawing HB pencil normal. Okay, I am from India and this one is available here, and anywhere you in the world you will get a drawing HB pencil, I know. You can start with this. Okay, and these are the sheets. I mean, you can do practice with this. You see, whenever you write cursive, the slant cursive today I'm talking about. Okay, these are the angles of 55 degrees. Okay, and how to start? This is the slant. Okay, and this is the x height. In this, the two black lines you can see here, the small alphabets will be placed. Okay, you see how I write: upstroke, downstroke, upstroke, and downstroke, and up. And this will be right in between these lines. Okay, okay, not much up, not much down. And now see the B. It will start from this corner up like this. Okay, you see it clearly how it goes up. And when it comes down stroke, you will just follow the angle made over here. You see the angle, this angle should be parallel with this. Okay, this is the first style of B. Now see the C. You can also write like this. Okay, now see the D. It will touch this line like this. You see the angles, this angle will be parallel with this angle. Okay, this is the main slant. And then was the second style D. Okay, you can also write like this. There are many ways to write. Now you see the E. Up and down and up. You can also give a curve like this. F, upstroke, and when you turn like this, just follow this angle, then your slant will be perfect. Turn over, keep like this and this. Okay, right again, upstroke, oval shape, down, upstroke and curve and touch it. Okay, right again. And this is the second style. You can write like this. Okay, you see the angles, and this one will be parallel. Okay, and just give a cut. Okay, like this, normal cut. So you see how these alphabets look. Okay, if you practice daily, then you will know the difference in your writing. Okay, and thanks for watching. I will make another video in the next session and the next my blogs. Please subscribe and like, and please comment me. That will help me. Thank you. Bye bye.